Hello everyone, I'm your own Dr. Ishaq Yusuf Maina, and in this video I want to talk on concatenation, not only talking but also demonstrate concatenation. That is why you can see me in my virtual coding environment. Okay, you see, concatenation is an operation of combining two or more strings into a single string. You have two or more strings, you want to combine them into a single string, you use concatenation, and we carry out concatenation by making use of the plus operator. Which plus operator? Is it the plus operator that we use it to perform addition? Yes. How? You know, the computer is smart. If the operands, the data type of the operands are numeric in nature, the computer will understand that yes, you are trying to carry out addition, not concatenation. But if the data type of the operands are strings, then the computer will know that this time you are trying to carry out concatenation. So that is how the computer differentiates. Okay, for theories, let's look at how concatenation is done. For example, I have a string copy. Okay, copy, and I have another string write. Okay, this is the input. So let's look at the output. Okay, I get copyright. You see how concatenation works, how the plus operator concatenate the two strings copy and the write into a single string copyright. Okay, so let me add another example. Okay, I have a string, one string called b. Okay, I have another string here. I have another string full. Okay, so let's look at the outputs. Please try to guess the output. Let me count three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if you guess it right. Be careful. So thank you so much, guys. This is concatenation.